So as you saw in the image of the chalkboard from this morning, you'll see that in order to determine the eutectic values, that you need to know the molar amounts of each substance. So the number of moles of urea and the number of moles of cinnamic acid in a mixture is going to contribute to that very graph. Now, what we saw in terms of the ratios earlier today is that we had a 1-to-1 ratio, or a 1-to-4 ratio, or a 4-to-1 ratio. What a 1-to-4 ratio represents is 1 gram of one substance to 4 grams of another. So in the 1-to-4 ratio of urea to cinnamic acid, that involved 1 gram of urea and 4 grams of cinnamic acid. What do those masses suggest? Well, when it comes time to doing our molar calculations to know how many moles of urea are present in a given sample, you take the mass of urea, which in this instance would have been 1 gram, over the molar mass of urea. You take the mass of cinnamic acid, which would have been 4 grams, and place it over the molar mass of cinnamic acid. That gives us the number of moles of each component. To get the total moles of substance, we add those two molar amounts together and recognize that those numbers are going to be very small. 1 gram of urea does not represent a mole of urea. It is a fraction of a mole of urea. Similarly, cinnamic acid. So once we have the total moles of substance, we can figure out the percent moles of urea using the top formula, where we have the moles of urea divided by the total number of moles of substance multiplied by 100%.